Welcome to wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Find the product of following, and we have to multiply this 1,44,878 with another number 4,778. So let us do the simple multiplication. Let us multiply this 1,44,878 by one's digit here in the second number, that is 8. So 8 multiplied by 8 will give 64. So 4 we can write and 6 is the carry. 8 multiplied by 7 is 56. 56 plus 6 will give 62. So 2 is there and 6 carry. Now 8 multiplied by 8 is 64 and 64 plus 6 will give 70. So we can write 0 and 7 carry. So 8 multiplied by 4 is 32 and 32 plus 7 will give 39. So we can write 9 and 3 is the carry. Now again 8 multiplied by 4 is 32 plus 3 is 35. So we can write 5 and 3 again is the carry. Now 8 multiplied by 1 is 8 and 8 plus 3 carry will give 11. So in this way we have multiplied this ones digit 8. Now we will see the tens place digit, that is 7, and we will multiply this 7 by 1,44,878 in similar manner. We will add the carry and we will do the multiplication. First we will leave this place, and after doing the same process we will get this value. Now let us do the multiplication of this hundredths place digit. Again the hundredths place digit is 7. So 7 multiplied by 1,44,878. So for hundredths place digit we will leave 2 places, and again we will do the same type of multiplication and we will get this value 1, then 4, then 1 and 10. So now let us see the last place digit, or thousands place digit, you can say 4. We will multiply that. For thousands place digit we will leave 3 places, and again we will multiply 4 by 1,44,878 and we will get this value. Now finally, to obtain the product we need to add all this. So if we add it, we will get 4, then 8, then 10, 1 carry. In similar manner, if we do the addition, we will get this value. So finally the product of these two numbers are this, and this is the answer.